If you're flying soon, pause for just a moment, because nearly every traveler makes at least one of these 12 pre-flight mistakes, and the consequences can ruin your trip before you even reach the airport. And mistake number 9. That one catches even the most experienced flyers. Air travel can feel stressful, chaotic, and unpredictable. But here's the truth. Most airport disasters don't happen at the airport. They start before you ever leave home. Today, I'm exposing the 12 pre-flight mistakes that cost people money, time, and sometimes their entire vacation. Stay until the end because the last mistake is the one travelers regret the most. 1. Not checking passport validity. This should be step 1 for any international trip. Many countries require at least 6 months of passport validity past your return date. 5 months left. You're not flying. A 2-second check can save an entire trip. Point 2. Forgetting entry requirements, visas, travel forms, vaccine rules. They change constantly. Too many people assume, I'll figure it out at the airport. Airlines don't work like that. If one document is missing, you're denied boarding instantly. 3. Leaving electronics uncharged. Everything boarding passes, hotel confirmations, ride apps lives on your phone. If your battery dies mid-travel, your entire trip falls apart. Charge everything the night before. And yes, bring a power bank, the kind allowed on flights. 4. Not downloading your boarding pass. Never rely on airport Wi-Fi. Half the time, it's slow. The other half, it just won't load. Screenshot your boarding pass. Save yourself the embarrassment of holding up the line with a spinning loading wheel. 5. Packing liquids the wrong way. 100 milliliters is the rule, not 120 milliliters. Not almost empty. Not it should be fine. TSA agents will toss your perfume, lotion, and expensive skincare without hesitation. Put large liquids in your checked bag. 6. Ignoring airline baggage rules. Every airline has different limits. Some offer a carry-on and a personal item. Others allow only one. Don't assume your bag will pass. If it looks oversized, expect surprise charges at the gate. 7. Not pre-booking your seat. If you don't pick your seat early, the airline will pick for you. And trust me, you won't like their choice. Middle seat, back row, next to the bathroom. If the seat matters, lock it in before the flight fills up. 8. Skipping online check-in. Online check-in isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Flights oversell seats. If you're late checking in, you can get bumped, even if you paid. Check in the moment it opens. 9. Not weighing your luggage. Almost everyone gets this wrong. You pack confidently at home, then discover at the airport that your bag is 2 kilograms overweight. Now you're repacking on the floor in front of hundreds of people. Buy a cheap luggage scale. It will save you every time. 10. Miscalculating airport timing. Some airports are smooth. Others feel like a maze built to test your patience. If it's a major airport or peak season, add extra time. General rule. Domestic 2 hours. International 3 hours. Holidays, add 45 minutes. 11. Not understanding your travel insurance. People buy travel insurance, but don't check what it actually covers. Delays, cancellations, lost bagsies can cost thousands. Know your coverage before you fly. It takes 5 minutes. 12. Being unprepared for security screening. Security is where most people panic. Long lines, quick instructions, random checks. It's chaos. Avoid delays by preparing early. Empty pockets. Laptop accessible. Liquids separated. Shoes easy to slip off. Small habits make a huge difference. Travel doesn't have to be stressful. When you avoid these 12 mistakes, you'll move through the airport calmly, confidently, and with zero surprises. Which mistake have you made before? Tell me in the comments. I promise you're not the only one. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more travel tips, and share this with someone who's flying soon. Trust me, they'll be grateful you did.